Hi, this is Paul Hand, Senior Product Manager for Signal Distribution at AMX. We're here at InfoComm 2013 talking about the new Enova DGX 64. For those of you familiar with the other Enova DGX products, the Enova DGX 64 is going to be very familiar. It has exactly the same input and output board capabilities as the 8, the 16, and the 32 sized enclosure, allowing for HDMI, DVI, DXLink, and audio insert extract board capabilities, but in a 64 by 64 sized system. One of the other new things that we're talking about at this show is the DXLink fiber input and output board. It gives us 10 gigabits of data over 2 fibers to DXLink transmitters and receivers up to 300 meters on multi-mode or up to 10 kilometers on single-mode fiber. The Enova DGX 64 enclosure also has an amazing 25 gigabits of data rate on the backplane, which means it's 4K ready out of the gate. Because the input and output boards are hot swappable, that means when those boards are available down the road, they'll be able to load directly into the Enova DGX 64. Let's take a second and take a further look at the DXLink fiber transmitters and receivers. The DXLink fiber transmitters and receivers are similar to the category cable DXLink solutions in that they passed uncompressed HDMI with HDCP, along with analog video, audio, native netlinks control, keyboard and mouse, 100 megabits of Ethernet, all over a fiber transport of either multi-mode or single-mode duplex options, out to 300 meters for multi-mode or 10 kilometers for single mode. We're providing 10 gigabits of data rate over this SFP connector, which is giving us a great amount of bandwidth, which is allowing for uncompressed video for today's resolutions and for resolutions down the road. One of the best parts about the DXLink fiber solution is its modularity in that the SFP fiber connection is field replaceable, so that if there's ever a problem, it can be replaced without having to replace the entire unit. As you can see, installations are easy, just like the DXLink transmitters and receivers that were previously available, and they mount easily and conveniently behind a wall. They can feed into compatible DXLink fiber input and output boards on the Enova DGX 64, but also those boards are available on the 8, the 16, and the 32 as well. For more information about the DXLink fiber transmitters and receivers, input-output boards, or the Enova DGX 64, go to www.amx.com.